All right, good morning, good morning. Let me put this in the chat and then announcements. Kind of late today, sorry about that. It is 9:31 on February 13th. Happy Monday. We had a really good student session this morning. We're going to see if we can hold here and get a nice move up. I had a daily level here on my TD Ameritrade. I need to put it in. See if we can hold this. Look at that turnaround there. And then move up to 12,450. Good morning. I gotta get on TikTok if I really care to do that today. It's kind of like, I feel good. Like I definitely don't feel like tired or anything, but there's just been kind of busy this morning with student stuff. So, and a few personal calls. I have Santa on to the right. Oil was 1 for 2 overnight on the minis, on the micros. They hit 2 for 2. So congrats to the micro folks because last week they missed one when we didn't. So it's pretty much like we're even now.
Like you want me to...
All right, let me go live on TikTok. If you guys have any questions, put them in the chat, please. Good morning. Kyle, let me know if that makes sense. We can talk more about it later. Let me move this on. Chop zones down here today. We have a few setups. So I have Santa off to the side. I have YM. Scalper off to the side. Gold off to the side. Gold has been a little choppy this morning. Of course, like the one day that I give it to the group. Please give a thumbs up as you come in. If you have questions, let me know. If you're new here, let me know. I'll kind of explain everything. We'll see if we're going to pull back to this area, maybe this 56 or 46 and move back up. We had some nice action overnight to the upside, so. That's okay. All right. Pulling back here. Hold on, let's see. That was a really good Super Bowl. Like, if I have something, I feel like sometimes when I've watched the Super Bowl, kind of changing subjects here, it's been hi Carlos, it's just been boring. And it's been like field goal, field goal, field goal. Last night was an action-packed Super Bowl. Like, if all Super Bowls were like that, I don't even care who the teams are. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, the market is open. We got NQ, we got oil. I think that's my other one. ES, RTY, and then I'm testing. I'm in this oil short. This is being tested. You guys know I always have something tested. So I just went through all of them, but I mainly focus on the NASDAQ. Thank you, Jen. That is helpful. Jen, did you see that I tagged you in the Apex thread? Apex is still doing 80% off through the month of February, so you still have another 2 weeks to take advantage of the Apex sale if you wanted to do that. Like a $50,000 account is $36. Like I feel like you can't beat that. YM off here. YM's been in a nice kind of funky move up. Since last night, it had this drop at the initial open, but then since then, kind of just like NQ, it's just been moving up. We're not in any trades right now. Oil went green on this short. But yeah, I think the Super Bowl was a lot of fun. Like, it was a really good game. The halftime performance was good. Like, it was just an all-around good show. And I didn't even think I was going to watch it all, but because it had such a good back and forth action from the beginning, I was like, oh, maybe I'll keep watching this. Only a day and a half left on that sale. Oh, really? I thought it was through February 28th. Is it February 15th? I really think it's... Is it February 15th? I thought it was February 28th. Apex Trader Funding. Oh, yeah, it says only a day and 12 hours. That's weird. I must have read the text message wrong. You know, they send like these text messages all the time. I'm like, yeah, no, $36. It's ridiculous because you can pass that so easily Pretty much everyone in the group has passed the $50,000 evaluation in like 2 days. And then you just have to get through the 7 days that they require you to do, which is just like 1 micro every day. And then you can turn it on your live account. Oh, thanks, Jeff. So nice. That is so nice of you, Jeffrey. No, seriously. I'm not being facetious. Where's transparent? So Slack did this new thing with the direct messages, and I can't stand it. You can use as many as you want. So the maximum amount of Apex accounts that someone can have at one time is 20. So I have someone in the group that has like 20, 10, whatever. Oh my gosh, this is going to make me crazy. I have to click, like, so before on Slack, you could just push the plus button and start a new conversation. Now you have to click direct messages and then click create and then oh no. And then click on start a direct. Oh, that is like they should have never done that. I need to give them some feedback. No, Apex is open to everyone. Maybe, and even in Canada, even Canadians can use Apex. So, because they closed mine without a reason. That doesn't mean they closed that. You probably lost. You probably did not win. Hi, Dante. That's probably why. Please give a thumbs up as you come in or tap the screen if you're on TikTok. Oh my gosh, this person. Yes, Craig, we talked about this last week. You can use NinjaTrader on your mobile phone or iPad, but you have to have VPS to do that. The VPS is what's going to allow you to use it on any other device, including cell phones or iPads or whatever. So, yep. No trades yet. It is Monday. Nothing from YM, nothing from NQ. Oil was 1 for 2 overnight, so it's red $200, and that's done for the day. Oh, see. Gold rolled over to April. I'm going to make an announcement of that. And tomorrow's CPI. The link to Apex, you just go to their website. I don't have a link. I don't have a like, I'm sure I could get like a referral thing with them, but I don't have one. Just go to apextraderfunding.com. Yeah, where were you finding it? You could also always email over the weekend, guys. I'm always responding to emails. I'm always responding to DMs. You don't have to wait until the live stream to ask me a question. You can just email me. It's just apextraderfunding.com. There's no link. You just go to their website. You pick the one that you want, and then you put in the coupon code of SAVE80, SAVE80. My students called this move this morning that we were going to pull right back down to this area. I'm not going to obviously give away what we discussed, and then potentially move back up. So I hope they are getting these moves. We have to go back in, break, and close over this 12.424. Again, the ultimate target here is 12.450. Carter, I'm glad you were able to join. All right. We've had no trades on the live stream so far. I didn't put fast on. The other day fast was wild. Maybe I should have put it on. But this oil's in still in that short.
Order submitted.
One of my members, okay, now we're finally in some trades. YM is in a short, and so is Santa. Hold on, let me get these for you guys. This is YM and Santa. YM and Santa. I gotta just put these on the right accounts there. They're both in a short, like the same trade. Essentially the same P&L too at this point.
Order filled.
Santa got stopped. YM is still in. Oh, good. I'm glad. Sounds good. Yeah, and so you can do remember, if you're doing a live cash account with NinjaTrader, you can also do an Apex account. Like, you can have them together. But if you're just doing an Apex account, Apex covers a lot of the things that you need to use a live account. Like, Apex will cover your market data. Apex will cover your license for NinjaTrader. So it's a pretty cool setup. Yeah, we have a setup for ES, but the ones that we're using right now are YM and NQ on Santa. Mark, I don't really know who you're talking to. Oil is green, $70 on that short. 90. YM is still in this short. We'll see if it can drop. What a boring Monday. People in the student channel, or I think it was maybe just Bess or Alex, asked if CPI for tomorrow might make today slow. I didn't think it would, but maybe it is. I don't know. All right, we were able, let's see if we can close above this 2.4 level. This was our main play in the student call this morning. But we always want to see both sides, because you don't want to have a bias that you're just stuck to, and then it's hard to kind of switch your mind. My hands are freezing, even though I'm drinking my hot tea. Did the groundhog say there's going to be more winter, or is spring coming? Because I'm ready for things to warm up. Yes, yes. Tomorrow is a busy day. I got like 4 different things going on. I have a student session tomorrow, student session on Wednesday, student session on Thursday. This weekend is crazy busy. And then it actually gets pretty chill after that. March is going to be pretty chill. Here's the move. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Did I turn the volume down on this? Oh my gosh, that freaking groundhog. Kevin said more winter, but it's warm here. This is YM, yes. It's called the Dow. I have a lot of things going. I have gold, I have silver, I have oil, I have natural gas, I have copper, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow. So yeah, lots of stuff. Kyle said no, I love the cold, but I'm from Texas. Well, Kyle, let's switch, because I'm over the cold. Alright, YM took a loss. The scalpers have had a bad week. My YM and Santa are on Sim. Plus, Santa is not great on Mondays. 2 Mondays ago, it had like an amazing, amazing Monday. But most Mondays are not great. So, I kind of stick to the side on Mondays. We also have an E-mini natural gas that we're testing too. This is so boring. This market activity is super boring. And I don't think I saw it. There were no reports for today. And it's Monday. It's like, is everyone still sleeping from getting wasted last night or something? Where is everyone? Did everybody call out? But last week, range was really good. Scalper sucked. RTY actually was red last week, and we made some changes on one of the updates, so that would have been red 1200 on the week. ES was green 1600 on the week. NQ was green 900 on the week. Oil was red $100 on the week. Chief celebration, right? Clearly the Chief, whoever the Chief fans are, they are big traders because they're not present today. All right, are we going to be able to get over this 25 and then move up to 50? That's what we're looking to do. High of the day is 37. Here we go. We've been waiting for this. Go, go, go. This is why, even if the algorithm isn't taking any trades, if you take my mentorship and you actually pay attention, you can easily make your own money. I'm up $350 on this long right now with one contract. I just got in it like a second ago. All right. I took some profit there. And see if it gives me a pullback. There's nothing else to do, right? I I don't trade Bitcoin. I only trade futures. This is the NASDAQ. I don't know why people just assume when they see something being traded, it's some crappy Bitcoin. Or some crappy... what is like the general name? I guess just coin. What coin? What coin is this? No thanks. I don't even know. It is going to bother me so bad that I don't have that plus sign anymore for Slack. Do. Santa's in a short. Santa banana. Let's take Santa back to December when it was like going crazy. Let's go back to November with the pinks and then December with Santa. And then January is really just range. It's just range killed it. The mentorship shit is amazing. It is so wonders to me. Oh, Carter, don't you owe me something? Don't you owe me a post? This is the NASDAQ as well. You can see the price over here. Yeah, Santa is on... But Santa, we can run it on whatever we want, but when I say Santa, it's always the NASDAQ. Oh, no, it's okay. Because now I just want you to hit it. You know what I'm saying? So you'll hit it and then you'll put it up. 220. Now it's flagging to the upside. Let's see if we can get over 25 again. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I want another 300. We got to get over 18 and then 25 to move back up to like 37 and then 50. There we go, 22. Here we go, 25. We got to get over 25. There we go, 28, 27, 31. See how easy this is? You just have to listen. Now, we have to get over 37. We have to get over 37 again. It keeps coming back to 25. But one of these times we should be able to get through 37, 32, 33. Gotta get over 37. And then we can go to 49. It's 9:55. We're not in any other trades. All right, 31. It's taking its good old time. This is not a pair. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. I don't trade forex. I trade futures only. Oh no. So you guys are switching. We're swapping seasons. I always follow this mom in Australia, and it's always so funny to me that Christmas is their like summer, and they're like wearing shorts and going to like these little water splash pads. I like that, so funny. All right, 32. Yes, Steven. Me as well. I had a student session on Thursday with, 35. Can we get over 37? 37? I saw 37. There we go. 39, 41, 44, 46. This is exactly what we talked about on the live stream this morning. If you've taken my mentorship and you're part of the group and you're a student, you have access to the private live stream every morning that we do just for students. It's a student live call from 8:45 a.m. to 9:15, and this is exactly what we planned. Y'all, I better hear that all of the students that were on the call got this. It went to 47. I might put this down to like a 5 minute just so I can show it a little more easily. Maybe like a 15. There we go. Where are we at? I got to 48.50. We say 49. Our ultimate target was 49. There you go. All right, through the ultimate target. Look at that wick. Nice job, students who got that. Proud of you guys. They called this exactly. Like Felix called this in the chat. And then that this was the ultimate target. And we got there. As long as we got over this. I don't even know if I like that. There we go. Nice move here. We're not in anything else otherwise. No, this was not a bot trade. This was a manual trade. Most of the bots trade a little later. All right. Yes, you can do the digital mentorship without the bots. Correct. They're two separate services. So if you want to do the algorithms by themselves, like the algorithms by themselves, that's one service. If you want to do the mentorship by itself, that's one service. Whoa, Dana's in a long for $1,150 on Santa. My Santa did not catch that. That sucks. That was this one. It was flagging before. Mine didn't catch it. It was flagging here, and so Dana is in this long. Nice job, Dana. Well, the algorithm did it, but I just didn't. So I hope that makes sense. His takes trader. And so if you just do the mentorship, what do you get with the mentorship? You get the 16 1-hour videos. You get access to the live student calls every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. You get access to this, the chop zone, by 7 a.m. every day. You get access to this yellow level, which is the LIS, every day. You get manual alerts also from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is, excuse me, this is the NASDAQ. That we're not in a trade here. We were just talking about a manual trade that we took. All right, it's 10:03. I might get off of here early today. It's kind of boring. The market's kind of boring. There's not much going on. Yes, dabbing on that trade for sure. Jen said the digital mentorship is 100% worth it. I agree, Jen. And right now for the one-on-one sessions, I'm currently booked until May. So if you want to do the digital mentorship first, that's $1,000, a one-time fee. And then if later you feel like you need more help or you want more one-on-one like tutoring or assistance, then you can book that later and you just pay the difference in price. But I have 3 students this month in February, 3 or 4. And then I have 4 in March. And then I'm not taking any students in April because I'm going to be gone like half the month. So what's the come again with? 50 as support? Yes. With what question? Gary, I want to get your opinion. Yeah, but mostly because I have April, like, not taking any students. It just wouldn't be fair to the students because I'm gone for like 1 whole week and then another week I need to be just doing a lot of personal things. So it's like 2 weeks out of the month of April I would not be around, and then that I just don't think that's fair. No, Gary, I want to get your opinion since you got the mentorship a few days ago. And because you were already a trader before this, so I appreciate to hear if you learned like new concepts and if you found the information to be... No, there's no time limit. You can watch the videos. You have access to them for life. You can watch them as many times as you need to, as many times as you want, for as long as you want. Oh, for sure, Carter. Yep. Oh, it's so funny. Apex just sent a text message. I can't stand their text messages. The 80% off ends tomorrow. I really thought it was through this whole month. Clearly I was wrong. I guess it was just a Valentine's special. They did email with like a big red heart. So that's probably what it is. Yes, Carter, I tell other people to do this, but I feel like they don't do it enough. I'm like, just watch it over and over and over. Like, something's not going to stick the first time. You know what I mean? Even when I was taught these concepts, I remember one day it just clicked. I was like, oh, I get it now. Because it's not like super easy. But you have access. You can watch it as many times as you need to. You can ask as many questions as you want. Gary said, oh yeah, it is great. I learned a lot. Worth every penny. Good, Gary. I'm glad. And Gary is a trader who has been trading for a while. He has past experience in futures, and other sectors, but you know, it's still super valuable. So it's good to hear that. I'm happy that you feel that way. All right. It's 10:07. Things are kind of pretty boring. I'm probably going to get off of here. So you get it 1 month for free in the group, which the group includes the live calls in the morning, and then the chop zone, the LIS, the manual alerts. After that, after the month, then it's a monthly subscription of $600 a month. Oh, why am I hiding this? So you get 1 free month in the group, but you get access to the videos for life. So you will always have access to the videos. Yes, I do. None of the bots are trading right now, which is why it's kind of boring. The market is quite boring here, but I do. I'm trying to see if I want to take this long again over 50. Since there's no bots entertaining me, I'm looking for manual trades. Normally I don't have a lot of time to look for manual trades, which is a bummer, but they're doing a lot of buying here down at that 37. Was that 37 a level? Yeah, that was the high from before. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. NQ is the ticker. Right back to 37. Yeah, so the algorithm is $1,000 every month. That is correct. It is. RTY might take a trade in a minute. That one we can watch together. It's not about what I decide to trade. I pretty much trade the same thing every day. I trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell. We're in a short on Santa. I'll show you guys that. So we're in a trade on the algorithm. It got me in the trade. I didn't even know we were in it until just now. It's guaranteed green because the stop loss has moved itself into the positive. See if it can drop more. Back to 25. We trade natural gas, gold, oil, silver. Silver sometimes is really, really good, and then other times it's just like complete crap. But Asim found some new settings that might be better, so I gotta have to get with him today. But yeah, all right. So Santa took an offset there. If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's 10:10. All right, I'm probably going to wrap it up here. Kind of boring. And but I go live every day, so if you're new here and you haven't seen me before, all right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. kind of a boring Monday. We'll see what happens with range. Range is going to start soon. So I have RTY live, ES live, NQ live. So we'll see what happens with those, and I'll post them on social media later. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for joining. Bye. All right, YouTube. Have a good day. Bye.